Why I walk alone at night. The day ends. The sun goes down. The city lights come alive. I finish work. I close the door. I step outside. I walk alone. The streets are busy. People laugh. People talk. People hurry. I walk slowly. I listen to my steps. I listen to my breath. I listen to my heart. Night is my teacher. Night is my mirror. Night is my friend. I think of my journey. I think of my struggles. I think of my dreams. Sometimes I feel heavy. Sometimes I feel lost. Sometimes I feel tired. But the night reminds me, I am still here. I am still moving. I am still alive. I see other immigrants. They walk too. They carry bags. They carry hope. They carry silence. We do not speak, but we understand. We share the same road. We share the same fight. At night, I remember Senegal. I remember the stars. I remember the ocean. I remember the songs. I whisper to myself, do not give up. Do not forget. Do not stop. The night gives me strength. The night gives me courage. The night gives me peace. I walk alone, but I am not alone. I carry my family. I carry my people. I carry my God. This is why I walk. This is why I fight. This is why I stay. To every immigrant walking alone at night, your steps matter. Your silence matters. Your courage matters. Do not fear the darkness. Do not fear the quiet. Do not fear the road. The night is not empty. The night is full of lessons. The night is full of strength. The night is full of hope. Keep walking. Keep breathing. Keep believing. Your journey is hard, but your journey is holy. Your journey is love. People say behind my back, but I don't care because I know who I am. Life as an immigrant is full of voices. Some voices are kind. Some voices are cruel. Some voices are silent. I hear words at work. I hear words in the street. I hear words in the bus. I hear words in the store. Not all words are spoken to me. Some words are spoken behind me. Some words are whispered. Some words are hidden. People talk. People judge. People laugh. People doubt. They say he is poor. They say he is foreign. They say he is different. They say he does not belong. I hear these words. I feel these words. But I do not carry these words because I know who I am. I know my name. I know my roots. I know my story. I know my value. The voices of doubt. Some people think immigrants are weak. They think we come to take. They think we come to beg. They think we come to steal. But they do not see the truth. They do not see the sweat. They do not see the sacrifice. They do not see the courage. I work every day. I wake up early. I carry boxes. I clean floors. I smile at strangers. I do not complain. I do not quit. I do not stop. I am not weak. I am strong. I am patient. I am brave. The voices of mockery. Some people laugh at my accent. They laugh at my clothes. They laugh at my food. They laugh at my silence. They say he cannot speak well. They say he is strange. They say he is slow. But I don't care, because my accent is my history. My accent is my culture. My accent is my pride. Every word I speak carries Senegal. Every word I speak carries my family. Every word I speak carries my journey. I do not hide my accent. I do not hide my culture. I do not hide my truth. The voices of envy. Some people see me working. They see me saving. They see me growing. They see me surviving. They whisper, he thinks he is better. They whisper, he will fail. They whisper, he will return empty. But I do not listen, because I know my mission. I know my reason. I know my path. I am not here to compete. I am not here to boast. I am not here to fight. I am here to build. I am here to grow. I am here to help. The voices of ignorance. Some people do not understand immigrants. They do not understand leaving home. They do not understand missing family. They do not understand starting over. They say, why did he come? They say, why does he stay? They say, why does he struggle? But I know the answer. I came for hope. I came for chance. I came for future. I stay for my family. I stay for my children. I stay for my dreams. I struggle because struggle is the road. Struggle is the teacher. Struggle is the bridge.
I hear many voices, but the strongest voice is mine. My voice says, keep going. My voice says, keep working. My voice says, keep believing. My voice says, you are not what they say. My voice says, you are more. My voice says, you are strong. I remind myself, I am Ibrahima. I am a son. I am a brother. I am a worker. I am a dreamer. I am not their words. I am my truth. I am my story. I am my hope. What people say behind my back does not break me. It teaches me. It shapes me. It strengthens me. It teaches me patience. It teaches me courage. It teaches me silence. It teaches me wisdom. I learn to walk with dignity. I learn to stand with pride. I learn to smile with peace. Because I know their words are not my life. Their words are not my destiny. Their words are not my identity. To every immigrant who hears whispers, do not carry them, do not fear them, do not believe them. You are not their words, you are your truth, you are your courage, you are your love. People may doubt you, people may mock you, people may envy you, people may ignore you, but you must remember, you are strong, you are brave, you are worthy, you are enough. Do not let their voices stop you. Do not let their voices break you. Do not let their voices define you. Walk with your head high. Walk with your heart full. Walk with your spirit strong, because you know who you are, and that is enough.
The dreams I carry in my pocket. Every immigrant carries something. Some carry photos,
Some carry letters. Some carry memories. I carry dreams. My dreams are small. My dreams are big. My dreams are heavy. My dreams are light. I dream of my family. I dream of my mother's smile. I dream of my father's pride. I dream of my sister's success. I dream of my brother's strength. I dream of a house. I dream of a garden. I dream of a table full of food. I dream of laughter. I dream of peace. I dream of education. I dream of books. I dream of classrooms. I dream of children learning. I dream of futures growing. I dream of freedom. I dream of respect. I dream of dignity. I dream of equality. I dream of love. Dreams in my pocket. I carry these dreams in my pocket. They are invisible. They are silent, but they are powerful. When I walk to work, I feel them. When I clean floors, I feel them. When I carry boxes, I feel them. When I smile at strangers, I feel them. My pocket is full, full of hope, full of courage, full of patience, full of love. Why dreams matter. Dreams keep me alive. Dreams keep me strong. Dreams keep me moving. Without dreams, I am empty. Without dreams, I am lost. Without dreams, I am broken. Dreams remind me this struggle is not forever. This pain is not forever. This sacrifice is not forever. Dreams remind me there is light ahead. There is joy ahead. There is victory ahead. The immigrant dream. Every immigrant carries dreams. Dreams of family. Dreams of safety. Dreams of success. Dreams of home. We carry them in silence. We carry them in strength. We carry them in love. The world may not see our dreams. The world may not hear our dreams. The world may not understand our dreams. But our dreams are real. Our dreams are alive. Our dreams are powerful. My promise. I promise to keep dreaming. I promise to keep working. I promise to keep believing. I promise to carry my dreams. I promise to protect my dreams. I promise to honor my dreams. Because dreams are not just wishes. Dreams are seeds. Dreams are roots. Dreams are wings. Dreams grow into life. Dreams grow into future. Dreams grow into hope.
To every immigrant, carry your dreams. Protect your dreams. Believe in your dreams. Do not let fear steal them. Do not let doubt break them. Do not let pain kill them. Your dreams are your power. Your dreams are your guide. Your dreams are your light. Keep them in your pocket. Keep them in your heart. Keep them in your soul. Because one day your dreams will rise. One day your dreams will shine. One day your dreams will live. And so this is my story. A story of struggle. A story of sacrifice. A story of hope. Immigrant life is hard, but immigrant life is strong. Immigrant life is full of dreams. To all students watching, remember your own dreams. Carry them with pride. Carry them with courage. Carry them with love. Because dreams are not only for immigrants. Dreams are for everyone.
Dreams are for you. Dreams are for me. Dreams are for the world. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. Thank you for dreaming. English Class TV, where stories teach us life.